Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and today I'm going to show you how to get the iOS 14 control center on this device. Like not iOS 14, like overall iOS control center. But to do this, what you will have to do is to just download the app Control Center iOS 14 from the Play Store. Then you have to open it. Then you have to grant all the accesses it requires to use this service. Here you have to enable it to appear on top. No ads in my videos. So, and now let's change its position. No more ads in my video. Let's set it on left, for example. And as you can see, now I have this iOS control center on my device. Wow, unbelievable. I can like control my Samsung device like I have the iOS. For example, maybe you can customize some more of these features. You can change its size here. No more ads, please, I beg of you. Change its size. You can change the size of the slider. You can change its color here. What else can you change? You can change its position. This is the same menu. Wow. You can change its background, but to change all of this you have to watch so many ads. I just can't believe it. Let's set it to be like current background, and as you can see, now I have my background and my control center here, and you can switch like all these different scenes like on the Android overall control center. Change brightness, switch music, and so on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.